Building an intranet is hard. It's a complex project that affects all aspects of your organization. The finance department, HR, the shipping dock. Everyone has differing needs and varied valid opinions. And once you've gathered that information and you've built your intranet, how do you know people are going to use it? By relying on proven methods and tested templates, your level of success will greatly increase. Techniques, tools, and templates developed in real projects with real problems have been captured in the SharePoint in Practice book and the supporting materials. The paid version of the ebook gives you full access to our Office 365 site, where you can download 33 templates in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and you can use and peruse the practical solutions that are described in Part 2 of the book with real live SharePoint examples. As always, please contact me directly with any questions or ideas. I'm Jerry Brimacombe, and welcome to SharePoint in Practice, proven methods to engage your team and build your intranet.